So you're looking for a side hustle, right? Something that's actually perfect for 2026? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down 8 AI-powered ideas, and they're all super beginner friendly. But the inspiration for everything we're about to talk about, it all starts with one single powerful statement. Now, this single sentence, it's the start of a pretty incredible journey. It's from a guy named Ayushman Pandita, and it's just a powerful reminder of how one small decision, just one choice, can lead to massive, life-altering change. So let's find out who he is and what exactly was the decision that just transformed his entire life.
Okay, so this is Ayushman. He was a software engineer, doing the typical 9 to 5 thing. But one choice he made after work, that one thing completely altered the course of his life. It turned him into the owner of a multi-million-dollar business. Seriously. What's just wild to me when you look at this timeline is the speed of his transformation. I mean, look at this. In 2020, he's a software engineer. Just 1 year later, he starts a YouTube channel on the side. By 2022, boom, he's hit 100,000 subscribers. And then by 2023, he quits that high-paying job to launch his own startup. It all came from that one single decision to just start creating something. Ayushman's story isn't just some one-off fluke. It actually highlights a massive opportunity that is available to literally everyone right now. We are smack in the middle of an AI gold rush. And believe me, 2026 is shaping up to be the perfect time to jump in.
So what makes right now so unique? Well, it's this powerful combination of two massive forces. First, you've got AI tools that have become incredibly powerful and super easy to access. And second, social media gives you a direct line to a global audience. Put those two together, they have just completely torn down the traditional barriers to starting a business. It's a whole new game.
Okay, so how can you actually tap into this? Our first batch of ideas all focus on using AI to provide some really high-tech services to other businesses. And the best part? You don't even have to be a tech expert yourself.
All right, first up on the list, AI content creation. People are calling this one of the single best side hustle opportunities for 2026. And here's what it is. You're creating professional-grade ads and videos for other businesses. The real magic here is just how efficient it is. Think about it. In the past, if you wanted a high-quality ad, you needed models, camera crews, huge budgets, the whole shebang. Now, you can generate stunning video ads right from your laptop. This lets you offer an amazing, affordable service to all those smaller brands that could never afford a big agency.
Okay, next up, let's talk about AI websites. You'd be surprised, but there are still countless small, local businesses that don't have any online presence. We're talking a massive, underserved market here. And you can tap into it with a really simple strategy.
And this strategy is just brilliant in its simplicity. Step 1, you use something like Google Maps to find local businesses with no website. Step 2, you use an AI website builder to whip up a beautiful sample site for them in minutes. And then for step 3, you just reach out and say, hey, I already built this for you. For a small one-time fee, I can make it live. It's an incredibly effective pitch, right? Because you're showing them the finished product before they even have to pay a single rupee. All right, our third idea might sound a little technical, but stick with me because it's more accessible than ever before. It's called building a micro SaaS. Now, SaaS stands for software as a service, but the key word here is micro. And the game changer is that thanks to modern AI and all these no-code tools, you absolutely do not need to be a developer to build your own little software company. Yeah, so the crucial part really is that word micro. You're not trying to build the next Google Docs or something huge like that. A micro SaaS just solves one very specific problem for a very niche audience. For example, think about an AI app that just counts the calories in your food from a photo. That's it. It's super focused, it's valuable, and now it's something that one person can totally build on their own. Okay, so those first 3 ideas were all about providing services to other businesses. This next set of ideas, it's all about building a digital brand and leveraging the creator economy. And you can do this either for yourself or for someone else entirely. Now, this is the side hustle that started it all for Ayushman. And honestly, it's pretty much a foundational move for almost anyone. Creating content. It's an investment of your time, for sure, but it can pay off with exponential returns down the road. It opens doors to jobs, business opportunities, you name it. And this chart really puts it all into perspective. I mean, look at that. It's not just for people who dream of being full-time influencers. The vast majority, we're talking 90% of people, can benefit from creating content to build their professional brand. It doesn't matter if you're a student, an employee, or a business owner, this applies to you. But hey, what if you don't really want to be on camera yourself? I get it. Well, this next idea lets you build a massive brand without ever showing your face. How? You create a virtual personality instead. This is the fascinating and kind of wild growing trend of AI influencers. These are digital characters who have hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions, of real followers. And yes, they make real money. It's not a joke. Their income streams are pretty much exactly like any human influencers. Brand promotions, sponsorships, exclusive content for subscribers, the works. I know it sounds futuristic, but major brands are already paying top dollar to partner with these AI personalities. It is a wild and rapidly growing market. All right, for our final category, we're going to focus on monetizing your creative skills. This could be through creating digital products or by providing a service that's really in demand right now. This next idea is perfect for anyone out there with a creative spark. You can use these powerful AI art generators to create stunning custom pieces. Think things like pet portraits or cool family caricatures, and then sell them on platforms like Etsy. But, and this is important, there's a smart way to do this and a not so smart way. Okay, so the crucial difference is right here. On one hand, you could just sell the art as a digital file, but that market is getting super crowded and prices are low. The smarter approach is to sell it as a physical product, like a framed portrait. It just has a much higher perceived value, you're facing way less competition, and it lets you charge a real premium. So how much of a premium are we talking about here? Well, get this. A single, custom, physical pet portrait can sell for around $50 or 4,000 rupees. That is a huge jump from what you could ever charge for just a digital file. It's a no-brainer, really. And finally, our eighth idea. Social media video editing. Honestly, this is one of the absolute best skills you can learn right now, especially if you're a student. The demand for editors who know how to create short, snappy, engaging social media clips, it is through the roof. So here's why this is such a golden opportunity. The market demand is massive, but the supply of really skilled editors, that's super low. It's a skill you can start learning literally today, and the earning potential is incredibly high. I mean, there are college students out there right now earning between 50,000 to a lakh rupees a month just from editing videos as a side hustle. And that brings us right back to where we started. All of this incredible potential we just talked about, from building AI websites to becoming a killer video editor, it all begins with a single choice, a single decision, just like the one that completely changed Ayushman Pandita's life. So the only question left is, what will your decision be?